So we want to see arrests, we want to see these people charged, and we want to see this end.
Gavana wa kaunti ya Kajiado Joseph Olelenku ni ahinyĩrĩirie utongoria wa bunge ya Senate kwĩyumĩria na gũtuithania ndũgamano iria iriho gatagatĩ ka magavana na Maseneta. Akiaria wabici-inĩ ciake cia Kajiado, Lenku augĩte Spika wa Senate Kingi ni abatie gũthikĩrĩria mũkayo wa magavana arĩa maranyamarĩka moko-inĩ ma kamĩtĩ imwe cia Senate nĩguo kũgĩe na kĩhonia.
And we say, even for that one committee, the CPAC, we had a problem with 4 senators out of almost 70 Kenyan senators. Governors have no issues with all of them except 4. In fact, we had even said we have evidence to show that there is malice, there is, I'm trying to get the right word, extortionism, there is harassment, and we felt that it is not right. We wanted it addressed. In fact, the chairman of the Council of Governors wrote to the Speaker of the Senate to seek audience. To say, the chairman was saying, my council has complained as much. I want to come before you, Mr. Speaker, to bring allegation leveled against your colleagues. So, how it has degenerated into violence, into name-calling, into, governors don't want to be accountable. We don't have an option. It is a requirement by law. We are ready to account. We have been answering questions before committees of the Senate. A quarrel between 4 leaders cannot degenerate into a whole constitutional crisis, cannot degenerate into accusation of all the 47 governors, cannot just put our country into a trajectory that does not help the nation. And therefore, I want to ask for sobriety and say the governors are going